Love isn't just what you say, it's what you plan for. You know, my father and our agency founder, Harry Levine, had a quote that he loved, and it was a simple truth, I think at least. Those who fail to prepare to fail. Let's talk briefly about life insurance and how critically important it is. It's often an uncomfortable conversation and most people want to avoid it. But the truth is, if you were to depart from this earth one day, as we all will, especially if it was in an untimely fashion, how does your surviving family get an education? Continue to be comfortable in the housing that they already have, or even improve their situation, again, with education, with housing. What about if there's debt, a mortgage on that home? I know some wonderful people who have exited the workforce to do what is really the ultimate full-time job, and that's be a stay-at-home parent. But guess what? If all of a sudden the supporting economic spouse were to suffer the worst, that partner then may need to enter the workforce and they may need additional training, meaning going back to school, whether that means going to college or going to a technical school and learning to be any of a gajillion different trades. There are just a plethora of opportunities that a simple life insurance conversation can open up, and it's all about having that plan. Who might need life insurance? Well, the answer could actually be anyone and everyone. We often think of life insurance as a tool that's used to support our family once we've gone. But at the same time, very often life insurance can be used as collateral to support debt. And by debt, I mean a car loan or a mortgage or any other type of financial instrument that may cause a balance to be owed in your ultimate absence. Particularly though, we think of life insurance to support a family, and that is perhaps the most emotional, heartstrings pulling example. But imagine you're a wage earner and you have a partner, you have children, and those people need to have a place to live, they need to have food to eat, and they need to get an education. Again, no matter what kind of education that is. But without the spark, without the ability to do those things provided by having a plan for if the worst is to occur, all of that may or may not happen instead of knowing it can.